This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and connecting devices. On your iPhone, choose a high-res image. 16:9 or square works best, so the PS5 won't stretch it. Once done, connect the iPhone and PS5 to the same Wi-Fi. This makes file transfer fast. Make sure PS Remote Play or a file transfer app is installed, and on the PS5, enable Media Gallery and USB or network sharing in settings. You're now ready to move the image over and set it up. Now transfer and format the image for the PS5. If you use AirDrop, send it to a Mac, then copy to a USB formatted XFAT. Otherwise, use iCloud Drive or Remote Play to push it directly to the console. Convert the image to JPEG or PNG and keep the file under 10 MB so the PS5 loads it quickly. Once the file sits in the USB root or appears in Media Gallery, make sure the PS5 indexes it. This can take a few seconds. Then finish by setting the image as wallpaper on the PS5. Open Media Gallery, select the image, press Options and choose Set as Background. Adjust zoom and position so icons aren't obscured, then confirm. Once applied, return to the home screen to verify how it looks. If it doesn't appear, reboot the PS5 first. Make sure the USB is XFAT and the image is JPEG/PNG. If problems persist, reconvert the file to a lower resolution and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.